What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to record credit card expenses in QuickBooks. So it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now the first step is going to be to go to the expense section. So from the left menu on your dashboard, select the plus new and then click expenses. Step 2 is going to be to choose your credit card account. Now in the payment account field, you want to select the correct credit card that you used for the purchase. Step 3 is to fill in vendor and expense details. Now just enter the vendor name, the dates, payment method, and of course the expense category. Step 4 is to add any memo or attachments. Now you want to include a brief note in the memo section and attach a scanned receipt for record keeping. Next is to save and close. Now once all the details are correct, click save and close or save and new if you're entering multiple expenses. A pro tip, recording expenses immediately helps to maintain accurate financial reports and makes the reconciliations easier. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.